I'm now going to show you how to clone a property and how to create a property for sale from that. So the first thing we do is log back into our admin panel and go to the administration area and go to real estates and manage. So as you can see, this is the property I created in the previous demo, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to basically clone it to create a new property which is similar in a similar area and make it for sale instead. So I'm going to click to the edit link, which is there. I'm going to see the button at the top says clone listing, so I'm going to click clone listing, and I'm now inside the cloned listing. What I'm going to do with this cloned listing now is basically change the address to something else. So I don't know if it's I'm going to make up an address, but put, I don't know, let's just put 110 Mardale Avenue or 110 Orford Lane or something like that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see if something comes up on the map. It's nearby. I'm going to associate that property to the same agent, but this time I'm going to list it as for sale. I'm going to leave all the same details to save you the bother of watching me type the same stuff in it again and again. But this time, instead of a rental price, because it's a sale property, I'm going to put in a sales price, which is I'm going to put on 135,000. I'm going to add my company logo to this again, because that's gone missing from cloning. I'm going to leave everything else intact. And so you can see by cloning a property listing, you can save a lot of time. Let's go back to the home page and let's have a quick look at the search. Now I made a mistake, and I'm glad I showed you that, because I forgot to add the picture and it's still showing as a letting, even though it's a sales property, and that's my fault for not putting the correct information in. So let's go to this property. Let's click edit page at the top, and you're back in the property listing now where you can make the edit. So even though it's here showing as for sale, I forgot to change the badge, and the badge should read for sale as well. And I also forgot to include the images, so I'm going to include the images of this property. Again, we're going to have to wait a second while the images upload. Now that all the images are uploaded, I'm going to click on save, and then let's have another look at the search page. And as you can see now, we have a for sale property, we have a to let property. And they're both showing on the map at the relevant locations. That's how you create a sales property and how to create a clone.